Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas, back at it again with a video. Yes, I am still in my little zhuzh, my little living room, just because we haven't got our sofa yet, so I'm still enjoying this little... Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Thomas. Okay, you guys, I'm back with another video. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Please bear with me with YouTube. I am so out of it with, I'm just, you know, when you're doing something constantly over and over again, you get a hang of it and you can always do it. But I'm so out of the loop with YouTube. Like, I don't even know how to even start a video anymore. But in today's video, I'm going to kind of go back to my roots and try some new products. I actually thought this could be an interesting twist to like full face of drugstore makeup, because this is predominantly drugstore makeup. However, it's natural makeup. It's like makeup that's sourced properly. The brands don't test on animals. It's all about that kind of stuff. So that is what we're doing today. I have a big box full of makeup to try. It's mostly affordable. I wanna say it's mostly affordable, mostly drugstore. It's definitely, everything's under the $20 range. Today's video is actually sponsored by iHerb.com, which is a really cool retail site because that's natural is what they kind of go for. They sell over 30,000 items that are completely natural. They have a huge catalog ranging over 30,000 products, just like natural stuff that you don't really have any guilty consciences with purchasing the products. It's always, they're just like a huge retail store, a huge retail site. So they don't just sell makeup, they sell a whole bunch of other stuff. But today I'm going to be talking about the makeup that they sell. And we have a huge box. I have so many products in here that I'm super excited to try. A lot of it is products that I either have, a lot of it has brands that I know and love, like e.l.f. and stuff like that. And then there's so many brands that I haven't really tried or tested out before. So that's where the kind of first impressions come in, and just testing some cool new makeup altogether that's really natural. And I don't feel really guilty trying or using or any of that stuff, and that you guys won't have any like guilty consciousness or whatever with purchasing. So before we get into the actual makeup part, let me just talk about my iHerb experience and why I love iHerb.com. My experience shopping on iHerb was really nice and easy. Just like they have like a whole like system of how you list things. I don't even know how to explain it. I'm so bad at explaining things, but basically it's like you can type in what you want. You have like filters and selections. It's a really easy experience to find products that you want, and like even to find new products that you want to try. It's a really good experience, and the shipping is really, really fast. It literally took, I want to say like two or 3 days to come to my door. It was really, really fast and simple. Another cool thing about iHerb is that their products are shipped from climate-controlled distribution centers. That's such a tongue twister, but just to ensure the quality of the product, so you know you're not gonna get something that's melted or just like too hot. You know what I'm saying? Like you can tell when you like order from sketchy places that they don't really care about their products and the stuff that they're holding on to. So that's a really cool fact about iHerb, and another reason why I love shopping through them. They offer 24-hour customer service 7 days out of the week in 10 different languages, and their shipping is amazing. I'll also link down below like their shipping policies outside of the US in case you're interested. But their shipping is amazing. I loved the shipping process and how fast it was. I really suggest if you guys are about getting natural, even organic makeup, it's a really good place to get that kind of makeup and try new brands, honestly, or even your favorite brands. I really recommend shopping through iHerb. They're a very amazing brand, and I love what they're all about and everything like that. So, in today's video, we're gonna be taking some of the makeup and brushes. I even picked up brushes, and that even like still was only like $100. And they're really good brushes by a brand that I really like. So in today's video, I'm gonna be trying all this makeup in here. I have some brands that I'm really excited to try. I know this intro is a little long, but you guys know. By the by, don't forget to subscribe. Don't play me. Hit that subscribe button. I'm so obnoxious. Okay, let's get right into the video. Okay, so I'm back with my brows done. You guys know how my brow game is. I suck at my brows. So the first thing I'm gonna do, prime my skin, and I'm going to go into this Physicians Formula Spotlight Illuminating Primer. This stuff looks bougie as shit. It feels like really heavy and like really luxurious. Ew. This has age-defying actives. What does that even mean? Physicians Formula, I feel like, is a little bit on the pricier side, but I feel like their products never kind of fail to be good, you know what I mean? But I never really like dive into Physician Formula. Like I'm not like, oh, let me grab my Physicians Formula. I know their butter bronzer is really good, and I know their highlighters are really good, which I actually picked up. I have this butter highlighter that I got from them, which I'll be trying later, but oh, I really like this. I really like this. It has a little bit of that liquid highlighter look to it. Not a lot for it to be polarizing, but just a hint to where like you can wear it on its own and you won't look like you're covered in highlight. Does that make any sense? It's really pretty. I would wear this out and about just on my skin because it's very natural. By the way, all the products that I mentioned in this video will be linked down below. So next up, I'm trying out this brand that I've never really heard of at all before. And it is a BB cream. It's called a Misha. They did have foundations on there, but I'm definitely a little bit more attracted to BB creams right now. Especially because this one seems to be a Korean brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. It's all in the packaging. All of it is in Korean, I believe. I honestly don't know if that's Korean or Japanese. I don't know. But yeah, it's made in Korea. Cool. And the packaging is recycled. This is recycled packaging. That's nice to know. I got the shade light beige. I don't know if this is going to be my correct shade, but we'll see. I did the best I could online, as anyone does. Yeah, it might be just a tinge too light, but we can bronze. I always blame myself, and I don't know why. I really like this. It's like, I noticed that Korean makeup, even though it's like, I mean, it is Halloween, mama, boo. She is a little light, but I noticed that Korean makeup, their complexion products are always really, really killer. My skin looks really supple and dewy and like natural. It's like, it's glowy, radiant makeup. Like it's obviously dewy. I definitely feel like if you like more of like a toned down natural moment, it is covering. Like I would say this is like a medium coverage. Anyways, I'm gonna finish up my foundation. I'll be right back. You guys, I really love this BB cream. Like I'm gonna definitely reorder this in a darker shade for my tanning. This is my I'm not tan shade, so I'm keeping this definitely, but I'm gonna pick up another one in my shade because I really, really like this. I'm curious to see how it wears because it looks really pretty. I wonder how it's gonna look set and stuff like that. So for concealer, we have the e.l.f. HD Concealer in Fair. This is like the concealer everyone's been talking about, to be honest, right? Like this is the new It concealer with e.l.f., right? Or am I wrong? This packaging is so cute. It's like so tiny. I love it. You know what's crazy about e.l.f. Cosmetics is that they're literally like so affordable, but so sickening. Like pretty much every product that I've tried from e.l.f. has been a banger in some capacity. If it's not like, of course there's some things I don't like from e.l.f., but like most of their complexion products at least have been so good. I've been meaning to do a full face of e.l.f. Cosmetics. I'll let you guys know if I do that, but wow, that's really pretty. I hate my little divots right here, but that's more of a natural me thing, not a concealer color correcting thing. I'm just destined to be ugly. Okay, so there's this new company that I'm trying out that I found on iHerb, which is the Azalike Cosmetics. It's this translucent setting powder, and this one's like an organic company. The way they source their stuff is really good. The thing is, I found very interesting, is that this company is 100% organic, like mostly organic. But the interesting thing about this product is that there's cornstarch in here, which I thought was interesting, or there's a derivative of cornstarch in this product. Curious to see what the hell that's about. That's the thing about organic makeup, is that they use more sustainable products. And I think the biggest thing that we need to be focused on in 2020 is sustainability. Like I'm really trying to, whoopsie. Smells good. It smells delightful. Okay, well, I took the sifter off on accident and I poured powder everywhere. Okay, well, let's just get right into it. Ooh, she's finely milled. I'm gonna take this big ass Real Techniques brush that I got from iHerb. By the way, we sleep on Real Techniques. Let's be freaking honest here. Let's spill the real tea. That's the tea. There's powder everywhere. I'm taking this Physicians Formula bronzer compact. It's so cute. Physicians Formula is such like a luxury drugstore brand. Can I coin it that? A luxury drugstore brand? Ah, there's not a brush in here, bitch, period. Oh my God. Ooh, this brush kind of thick on them. See, if you're gonna put a brush in a makeup product, like palette, at least make it a good brush, and Physicians did that. I didn't even tell you how much I like the powder. it's a really pretty powder. It's very finely milled. So the powder, like the translucent powder, is going to give you like a very smooth look. It's not looking drying under there at all. See, I like Physicians Formula. I feel like they're a really good company, a really good brand. I'm gonna admit it, I'm gonna say it. I'm saying it and I'm saying it right now. I really like drugstore products and I feel like they get slept on way more than any other products out there. I am so excited to try this e.l.f. blush kit. Oh my golly gosh, G jolly. I love e.l.f. kit, like contour, blush, everything kits. Sister, I love me some e.l.f. blush kits. I have never tried this one. I'm super excited. I really like this makeup. I really like my base makeup. I really like it. Just gonna blend everything together. I love doing this. My favorite thing to do, what I recommend everyone to do so they don't go too crazy with their stuff, always like blend more and more and more and more and more. So like I'll do my contour, take like a secondary brush. I don't have one with me right now because I moved and like everything's like crazy and everywhere, but I'll take like a secondary brush, like a big brush like this, and I'll just like bronze, right? And then blend, bronze some more, blend, blush with a second brush, blend. Like I'll use like a big fluffy brush like this to always be like my facial complexion blender brush, just because I like to marry things together and make sure everything's like nice and blended smoothly together. But that's like one of my favorite things to do, and it works, and it just makes it look better in person. Like obviously you're wearing makeup, right? But why do you want to be that person that's wearing makeup and also not blended? I'm next going into my Physicians Formula butter highlighter. I notice I'm using a lot of Physicians Formula. I just really like their ingredients, and I'm going to go into this Real Techniques 402 brush, this little blender. Oh my god, I wanted to try this. I'm gonna try this right now. Okay, so I've got this as well because I thought it was so interesting. There's this thing called Everyday Minerals, and this like loose mineral stuff, and this is like a blush in the shade Field of Roses. It's like a loose setting powder container, and it's for blush. Okay, so while I do my eyeshadow, I'm going to take one of these glosses. I thought they were so cute. It's from the same brand called Blossom, and it's like these flower infused glosses that have really good scents to them. So this one's watermelon. Look how pretty that is. Are you kidding me? Oh my god, I love this. It's like an oil treatment for your lips. I love it. So I have these two brushes from Delium Tools. You guys, I've talked about Delium Tools before on my channel, and they sell them on iHerb, which I was so shocked about. Delium Tools is an amazing small company with amazing brushes. You guys definitely need to support them. Their brushes are so good. Like I love their brushes. They're usually synthetic, but they're really good quality. Like this is a blender brush. I just realized I did not get eyeshadow, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use this blush kit for my eyeshadow today actually, because I'm feeling crazy. I just love a really good blown out moment. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up this eye off camera, and I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and then we'll be done. And I'll be right back. Brenda, be right back for you. Okay guys, we have come to the end of today's video. I really love my makeup. I was actually taking some photos before I filmed this little outro, and I'm so obsessed with my skin. I really love this BB cream, and I can't wait to pick it up in more shades. And this powder, even though it went everywhere, it's really, really good. I really like it. No, I really liked all the products that I tried today. Like they were all really, really good. I'm kind of bummed out that I didn't have any eyeshadow for you guys. I completely overlooked eyeshadow when I was shopping. Don't know why. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I know it's a little bit random, not really random, but I know it's like, Thomas, you just came back from a huge hiatus and you're doing like a drugstore makeup. Yes, I am, mama. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you iHerb.com for sponsoring today's video. All the links for iHerb.com will be listed down below, as well as all the products that I used. I love you guys so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye guys.